Alright guys, so it's tornado warning. Alright, Godzilla! You got Godzilla?
Yeah.
Let's go. So we get to go.
Grab that black blanket.
God, move. So, yeah, it's really bad outside. Okay, so
Close that door up there.
no, my hands are full. You're gonna die. Yes, the power's turning off.
Bring some water bottles down here.
How long are we be down here for?
I don't know. Wait, no, keep the light on. Hey, you want to What? It's alright. Hope we won't be down here too long. I'm scared. Look out that window, Brian. See if you see anything.
Oh, what about Daddy? Call him. Who is it?
Hi. Yeah, we have a tornado warning. We have to go in the basement. Where are you?
Godzilla, get over here.
Where are you?
Ooh, what kind of spiders are back there?
Alright, so I'll make a part two.
Well, you need to go back to the store and get in the store. You should not be driving like this.
Oh, light's going off.
Godzilla.
Godzilla.
No, it's a tornado warning. We got it on our phones.
How do you get on my phone?
I ain't got my phone either, bro. So, yeah, guys,
We're in the basement.
we're in the basement, and we never really done anything like this before. We got some
Why don't you
warnings,
pull
but
over?
never happened. He's still driving?
Yes.
Why is he driving?
I don't know when he's driving. He's stupid. Al, I'm serious. You gotta pull over. You gotta go back to the store. And go into our store.
You know, pool's ruined.
How?
The pool,
Right.
the pool break for the pool.
Bye.
Mom, we should have done it. Like when we heard like the warnings, I didn't know it was gonna be a tornado. We should have done something before.
I know.
I should have took it down.
Remember I told you this morning.
And I told you at 5 o'clock it would start. What time is it?
6, almost 6:30.
Yeah, it's,
Wait, Mom.
it like just started like and then went wild. So,
Come here, Godzilla.
so yeah. All right, so I'm making part 2. Well, I'll add it in. So, I'll catch you up on some exciting news.
Wait, this is
Right now we're banked in the basement. Yeah, so there was like cars like everywhere. Open the door. Excuse me. Yeah, Mom, there was like cars, like
Look, our
8
thing
cars in
fell
a row.
down.
What? What?
I wish your nail fell down.
I said that to you when it first happened. It stopped. Look at Jaden.
Who's that reading?
We're alive!
Look at their tree.
What fell down? What fell down?
Oh, wow.
I wish you well.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
God. I didn't even see that. I told you that.
Your pool is
Yeah, I know.
The tree that broke there. I watched it come down.
yeah, I was standing in my kitchen.
I was standing in the window and watched
I was
it.
wondering why all your lights went off.
Yeah, we went in the
I was like,
basement.
Oh my God, my pool.
Yeah. Done?
Just picked it up and threw it right in the backyard.
Holy shit. That's crazy. It completely moved it.
It did. Well, when it moved it the first time when I told you to
Yeah.
look, it just picked it up and slid it back against the fence. It was all still up. It just moved it.
Oh my god.
I'm surprised that tree, well not your right ear up, but the one next to your, oh, it looked like it was gone. I was standing in the front porch watching. I was like, yeah, that one's gonna go.
Oh my god.
That one branch came off first. I was waiting for it. That one branch.
Where's channels? I'll just put my sneakers on.
$10 on the backbone.
Yeah, really.
They call me, but I'm trying to get a hold of everybody.
Yeah, the pool's right here. Now look at it. That fell like a lot later. I used to go like barely under it. Now it's like. So.
Main Street.
You serious?
Yeah, that's why all the cars turn on. They can't go by Main Street.
Hey, I'm back here in the yard.
Yeah, look at that.
Got like 2 sections of fence on it.
How did Champlain not break? How did Champlain not fall apart?
It just, I mean, luckily, I mean, it really just missed everything. Yeah.
Dude, my trampoline got destroyed.
Dude.
Big ass branch hit my trampoline.
Yeah, it would hit his car. He was.
Damn, dude.
I'm getting a close impact on that. Look up there, Connor, look. Up there.
Where? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Fresh Dave.
There you go.
I was just getting ready to walk out my door and go to work.
Oh, that's a cool piece of wood. Look at that. Yeah.
Imagine if that would have fell that way, or even over here.
It said if it went that way, he was screwed.
That would.
I'm lucky my tree didn't fall down on our house.
The one out back, not
Yeah.
in your yard, but the one back there, it looked like it was going to go. I was watching that one.
I hit that.
We went on base. I was so scared.
Yo, something hit Tim's yard. Something hit my yard. Oh my god.
Look at his window pads. Too bad windows.
I'm out here directing traffic in the middle of the lightning. Because the light was absolutely gone. And then I'm watching people stop and turn around before it ran into. And then all of a sudden I saw it like right now and I'm coming out here like people were keep dancing. And I saw one guy going on with 3 other people back there. I'm like, yo, dude, that's yeah, I'm like, one thing to do is right my parents went down by 25 foot. Well, they were right there. My parents were not like they're out all night. She's still asleep. Yeah, that thing died.
That's what just happened.
My,
How afraid it is.
My pool flew away. Yeah, they flipped it upside down. Crooked going, across the street. Yep, well the tree, yeah, go right through the
I can't really see it, but it's so yellow.
yeah. Oh yeah, it was frick. Yeah, I think it was crazy. I mean, I'm like, oh my god! And then, like, as soon as I hear it, my phone goes off and it's a tornado watch. Well, here I am on the side of